Welcome. If you want to enable or disable automatic power off option in your Huawei SoundJoy, at the first you have to open the AI Live application from Huawei. Next you have to select your device. Just wait a little bit until you will be connected. Okay, it takes too much time, so let's go back and let's enter one more time. Okay, right now it's working. So right here you have to pick this option, schedule off time. And if you want to set up automatic off time of your device, you can pick 1 hour, 30 minutes or 15 minutes. If you want to disable this option, just click never. And after that you can go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.